You stole my love, but I forgive you. I give into you. You stole my love, but I forgive you. I
Let me just change this over. Perfect. I wish I could just play copyright music the whole time. Can't lie, it'd be such a vibe on stream. What's good, Remy? What's good, Adam? What's good, man? How are you all doing? So, we also got the whoa, it's a bit... I just kind of reached into your guys' soul right there, my bad. Yeah, we got the camera working again, which is good. The actual camera that we need to work. So yeah, we're back, man. Stream's fully up and back. Beautiful shadow ban, bro. No one mention the shadow ban, man. It's too upsetting. Too upsetting. But yeah, so let's do this breakdown real quick, chat. Yesterday you broke the weekly highs. CPI was crazy, to be honest. CPI came up and you came down. That was about it. We managed to grab about 10 pips yesterday in sales in the signals channel. So that was nice. Just a small little dub. I think I actually ended up closing a little bit less because it spiked up. But yeah, it was a clean day, to be honest. It was a clean day. We didn't take anything on stream, but you know, that's you know, a different story. But yeah, man, as of right now, I mean, your 30's flipping here, but yeah, as of right now, let's just do this analysis real quick. So the weeklies come up. You got 1 day and 14 hours left on the weekly. The previous daily closed bearish. You've now grabbed a top wick, right? And you also closed, or you did close respecting that level, to be fair. But you've closed below the most recent. And as we saw the other day, chat, you've got a clean mirror here of this daily sort of time frame right here. You got a clean mirror down exactly how you've done previously in the past. So yeah, man, same on the 4, right? If you see, we have a mirror of, how can I do this? Let's do this. You have this mirror here, which is the same as this mirror here. And now you might end up seeing this mirror here form the same thing, right? Potentially. Just potentially, right? So yeah, today our bias is bearish on gold for sure. You grabbed the top wick on the daily. I do think you can flip down and fill this wick as a minimum, right? And that gives you, I mean, you've got a lot of room there to fill that wick, which is great. So in order for that to happen, what do we need to see? Well, if we were going to get buys right now, what would we do? Well, we'd probably wait for a closure back above this level here at 2460, right? 2460 is a very strong level. Yeah, every time you've come up to that area, you've sort of rejected, right? And vice versa. We were holding it as a very, very strong level until we didn't, right, with CPI. But yeah, once you can close back above there, you should be good to continue up for buys. Now for sells, what you probably want to see now is a closure back below, to be honest, back below 2452. Let me just see. Up to 30. Yeah, perfect. That's exactly what I want to see. So you want to see a closure below 2452, around that area there. And that's going to probably be enough for us to grab some sells right now. Now, I'm not saying we will grab sells. Or, you know, I'm not saying we definitely will flip on the daily. Because as you know, right, these things always change. But that's my opinion for where the daily should go, right? And that's what we should realistically do. However, gold being gold, you might end up just continuing to push up for no reason whatsoever. But yeah, man, I think, to be honest, that's what we'll look for. And then if you wanted to get some more buys further up, you'd probably look at 2466 as your next level to close up above. But yeah, chat, until then, obviously all we can do is wait. These ranges are very wide now because obviously CPI has extended us quite a bit. But yeah, right now, that's what we'll look for, man. The moment we start to make some bearish closures, we can continue to take those sells to come back down, right? But yeah, I think, bro, I have to give Yang credit for this one. He sent in that mirror on Monday of this 4-hour mirror. I checked it out and I agree with it, to be honest. I mean, we were still looking for buys earlier on, but yeah, that's a clean mirror, I can't lie. So if this continues and plays out, especially after now tapping into 2458 like you did just here, bro, you could rip down. You could rip down. But yeah, so the chat, that's what we're going to be looking for today. Hopefully you guys are, you know, enjoying the stream so far. If you enjoyed the analysis, make sure you drop a like. And other than that, let's get it started, man. How's everyone doing? How is everyone doing? What's good, Kara? What's good, Christian? It's good, Jar. How you doing, bro? Creed, good morning, good evening to every trader out there. May you all have an awesome day today. Good luck, everyone. Hey, thank you, Creed. Good KB, good morning all, good morning, SG. How's it going, KB? Yeah, man. Chat, what did everyone do yesterday? Anyone, hopefully you all survived it. Anyone grab some nice little positions? Yeah, I wanted these cells here, but I actually missed them. I was at the gym, and I just missed it by a second, and it had already ripped. All good, bro? How are you? Yeah, I'm chilling, man. I'm chilling. Eugene, you got proven guilty. Upset. Just upset, mate. I'm not disappointed. I hear that. I'm still in drawdown from Asian. What did you take in Asian? I was looking for Asian, to be honest. I looked at the start. Cells here, maybe? I don't know. But yeah, there was nothing really. And then I went to bed. Not angry, just disappointed. Yeah, exactly. Daily candle always drops after the third bearish close. Take a look at that. That's an interesting theory. 1, 2, 3, rip. 1, 2, 3, rip. 1, 2, 3, rip. Alright, I like it. I see that. Is it repeatable throughout time? Maybe, maybe not, but still. I don't mind that as a theory. 1, 2, 3, 4. Interesting. Chat, look what I found the other day. Well, actually, Jan showed me it, but we were checking it out in the call last night. Look at this. I'm gonna show you guys this mirror here. Alright. Then you put it. Now, where did I do this? I did it on the 1 hour, right? Did I do it on the 1 hour? Yeah, maybe. On the 4. Oh yeah, there you go. Interesting how it all lines up, right? I don't know, it looks like a very similar move to me. Could be wrong, but like if you move this down here. I don't know what I was looking at. Those fractal patterns are very interesting. They do seem to repeat themselves, I can't lie. They do seem to repeat themselves. You have similar sort of moves over and over. What's good, Gabriel? How's it going, man? How's it going? Yeah, chat, I was hesitant to take these buys, to be honest. Technically, you closed above a level, but I think we're bearish for the day, right? You don't want to be taking buys just yet, in my opinion. I want to see a reversal here. I want to see an indication that this is a... whether it's now or in London, chat, what you want to see is you want to see an indication that this is just a high, a lower high being made. When you start to close back below here, and then get your retrace, I believe that's when we're going to fall through the floor, right? If you do want to like flip down, obviously. Likelihood is you could just continue upwards, right? Yeah, boy, took the buys, but guess what? I thought the same thing. We're bearish. I closed it on -3 pips because of that thought. Yeah, nice, bro. Good management. Good management. I like that. You were honest with yourself. You didn't, like, you know, try and hold out just in case. You took the -3 pips. That's a W, bro. 100%. 100%. But yeah, man. So chat, news today. What do we have? 1:30, you got unemployment claims, right? Let me see. Yeah. Unemployment claims, 1:30, retail sales, Empire State and Philly Fed manufacturing index. So 3 red folders, 2 orange folders. It should be volatile at 1:30. So for the New York stream, W should be good. Should definitely have some potential there. We're not going to be trading the news. Not going to be doing any of that stuff. We're just going to be, you know, waiting for some closures. But yeah, man. What's up, Rajesh? How's it going? Good, what's good? Chat, how's everyone doing for the week, man? It's coming towards the end of the week right now. It's Thursday. We've actually only had 2 positions this week. I'm up about 3%. Good high life. I'm up about 3% right now. Which is nice. Touch wood. Oh, chat, I feel like we might have some matrix attacks going on. Nah, are we good? The frames just dropped for a second and my heart went in my mouth. Rajesh, up 2% this week. Hey, let's go, Rajesh. Good stuff. Good stuff. Taking prop challenge from -3 back up to B. Hey, let's go, bro. That's huge. That's very good. Yeah, you're creating like a rage here on the 5-minute chat. I feel like last news of the week, right? You might just see a little bit of a range until then. Unless the volume wants to pick up around like 9:30-ish. Which we have seen happen, right? We've seen the news, sorry, not the news. We've seen volume at around 9:30-ish every morning pick up. So yeah, we'll wait and see on that one, but should be some potential here today. I don't see why not. Especially if this 4-hour can flip. This 4-hour can flip and close below. You look good. You look good to continue down. Down 3%. That's all good, bro. It's recoverable, right? You know, nothing major. Definitely something that you can come back from. Take it slow and steady, and you'll be good, bro. Trust me. You'll be good. But W, honesty. Well, I have 1 position for this week. Monday off chart, Tuesday on New York 1 win, Wednesday on New York with no trade. From minus 1.38%, now minus 1.22% on the challenge account. Hey, let's go FNAM. Good stuff. Bro, yeah, chat, we've only had 2 positions this week too, so I do think it's been a weird week in terms of price action. So yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if quite a lot of people only have a few, or maybe even 1 position this week, or none. That doesn't surprise me at all, and there's definitely no problem with that if you do have, you know, only a few positions. It's actually a win, in my opinion. It's actually quite a big win. Started new funded 2 weeks ago, lost 4%, made back 6%, lost 3% yesterday, still down, but up from the first loss. Yeah, I hear that, bro. Potentially your risk is a little bit high. Maybe drop the risk down to like 1% a trade or something. That's what I'd probably say. But yeah, good stuff, bro. You just don't want to be seesawing like that. That's the only thing. What's up, SG? Joining in late today? All good, bro. What's good, Omar? How you doing? What's good? There's a reason why you're not pushing up right now. Look at these 2 30-minute candles here. You've grabbed so much liquidity. So much liquidity, but you just don't want to push up. And there's obviously a reason for that. You seem to be stuck at this level here. Which is obviously interesting. But yeah, you need to see a stronger push down if you're going to do anything here. Can't take buys right now, just in case you're taking buys at the top of a range, right? Which is essentially here. And you don't want to take sells either, because you still are technically pushing upwards. You know, you still grab liquidity. But yeah, I would think at least you need to see a push downwards before anything else happens. I'd like to see just maybe not on this candle. Maybe you need one more closure and then another one below here, and then that's when you can take the sells. But yeah, I do think that today we should see a push down. But again, right, the reason why I say should, and I always caveat it, is because gold recently has just not been following daily bias. So, you know, you can't really expect something nowadays with gold. You just sort of have to go with the flow. You can't, I would say, you know, Q1, Q2, even Q4 last year, right? If the daily candle on the previous day was bullish, you could pretty much expect the next daily candle to close bullish. Nowadays, not so much, right? There's fake outs everywhere. You know, there's a lot going on, right? So you can't really expect any of this. You can have your bias for sure, but you have to be adaptable. You have to understand, you know, it can go either way, essentially. Yeah, man. So the 1 hour's coming back down towards, well, towards its own low, I guess. You want to see if you can break that low. Would be nice. But yeah, at the minute, this could just be a higher low to continue back up, right? So you need to just wait here. Actually a win for me so far. I think I've been fighting my mind to not take a trade when setup's not 100% set up. I would take it if it was there last month. Plan followed. Thank you, Tren. Hey, let's go, bro. Yeah, that's a W. 100%, you're right. That is a 100% a W. If it's not there 100%, then you can't be taking it, right? So yeah, that's a W, man. Yesterday's daily closed above support, but today's open with no bottom wick. I don't think I'll take gold trades today. Yeah, I understand that. The daily did close above support, technically. But, again, closed above support, or above resistance here, right? So, yeah, it's just interesting to me. I think we'll see. Realistically, it's probably going to be news that flips this candle if it does flip, right? You're not too far away. You're like 80 pips, yeah, 86 pips away from a flip. So the daily really hasn't made its move yet for the day, right? Yesterday's daily candle was ginormous, right? Like 450 pips or 420 pips. But today's, yeah, we still haven't really made the move. So, you know. Just time to wait here. Wait for it to actually begin that move. Trenlines, I took a buy on the 30-minute flip at 7 a.m. I want to know, do you consider that 7 a.m. bullish closure as a good onion setup for buys? Yeah, I don't see why not. I don't see why not. It's a good setup technically, but I'm just a bit hesitant to buy right now. But yeah, it's not a bad setup. For me, it feels just a bit overextended, right? Like you just seem to have continued to push the whole way. Again, that doesn't mean that it's not a valid setup. I would also probably look at how 30 respected this level here. Realistically, you should come and tap the level again potentially, but yeah, the 30 did respect this level over here. Potentially why it's struggling a little bit right now. You got a decent advantage point up till there, though. I wouldn't say it's invalid. No, I wouldn't say that. Yeah, technically you should probably tap 24.59 before you do anything else, right? You probably should. That'd be a nice retest of that area too before coming back down. That would be pretty clean. in that scenario, right, if you do tap that and close bearish, then we can take the sells to continue down that way, which that would actually be really, really clean. So that's just a classic break and retest, right? Because essentially, what have you got here? Well, you've, you know, come up and then you've, you know, cemented 2460, sorry, as oh wait. You came, oh, let me delete this. Yeah, so you came up, right? Then you cemented 2460 as a clean level here, right? As a strong level as well, because you were consistently respecting it. So now you've got a really strong level across here. Then you came below it, and you closed below. And now obviously, what do we normally do? We have a break and retest, right? So you might be retesting it here, or you might need to come up even further and tap 2459. But let's say that this is the retest. Now what do you need? You just need a bearish closure. Or another low being made, right, to indicate that you are going to come back down, and that's when you take the sells to, you know, continue down like this. But this low could even be like, you could even do something like this, right, and then you can continue down like that. But yeah, that's just a standard break and retest, right? Would be clean. But yeah, you potentially need to tap 2459 before anything else. I don't know if this counts though. It might do. Why not a fake out above 2359 then to move down? Well, yeah, if you close above 2459, firstly, we'll probably look at buyers up there if you do close back above it, because it is a strong level. If you manage to break through it, you can probably fill the range. But yeah, if you did then close above it and then faked out, then yeah, that's the exact same thing. There's still a break and retest. That's still the same move, right? Just because you close above it and then close back below, you can still take that continuation downwards like that, no problem. Yeah, good question, Mr. Chart Guy. Welcome back. It will come down with a bearish closure, and then it will give a fake out to grab orders and a whole bearish move. Yeah, potentially. Potentially. Where's Mustafa? I know, bro. Where is that guy? He's like, you guys seen Evan Almighty? You know when God comes and like says something wise and then he disappears? Mustafa's like that. He's like a wise elder. He just came into the chat, told us exactly where price was going to go, and then just ran away. Just disappeared. Chat, so the 1 hour closed here. You closed weak bearish. Almost doji, right? You actually respected the level 2. Interesting. Bottom wick first. Doesn't mean I can take anything here though, chat. Not a big fan of this. Just seems too weak to me. I don't know, it just seems pretty weak. But yeah, man. So we'll wait until the next closure. At the minute, there's no volume as well, which is the other thing. Like, you've got, I mean, your range here that you created is about 10 pips. You don't want to be doing anything like, you don't want to be taking anything within this range. But yeah, man, chat. Let me skip that song. That's a terrible song. Cool. So yeah, man, chat, drop a like if you haven't already. Thank you guys for pulling up today. Hopefully you guys have had a good week so far. And yeah. It's going to be good in my opinion. I think it's going to be a good week, to be honest. Good end to the week. Just finish off strong, right? That's the most important thing. Stick to your plan. Continue the week as you started. And yeah, don't do anything silly towards the end of the week. It's good, Umesh. Welcome back. Yeah, if you break the lows here, you might continue down, fill the wick. Might being the key word. Oh, why is it so... I'm confused. I made a bad investment in these new blinds, chat. I tell you that. It's a bad investment. They're not very good studio blinds. I was like, you know what? I need some new blinds. Let me get some blackout ones. Because the ones I had before were like blackout for the studio. So like I can literally just use this light, you know. Like I have 2 studio lights, one here and one here. I've only got one on right now. But like, put them up, yeah, like 2 weeks ago. And then they just weren't even slightly blackout, and I was like, sick. First stream looked exactly like this, like just washed out. Like, awesome. So it doesn't even make much sense. Now I have to record videos at night. Yeah, man. How long do they take to put up? Oh, not too long, to be honest. Not too long. Like, I don't know, an hour, maybe 30 minutes. 5-minute barcodes, bro, trust me. What's good, Calm? How you doing, man? Surprised you're not scalping this range, just up and down. But yeah, bro. Level up. Trippy is I have the color candles just opposite. Oh, shit. Crazy. So you have what? Wait. You have blue for down, white for up. That's weird, bro. That's crazy. Made 2k in the range. I knew it. I knew it, bro. I knew it. Bro's just like seen this bottom here, bought it, closed, straight back in sells, closed, straight back in buys, closed. How did I know that, bro? How did I know? Good shit, though. Good shit. Now try it out. It looks better than whatever is going on here. I'm not going to change my color candles again, bro. Can't lie. And that's going to confuse me. I like it the way it is. White's always got to be bearish. Oh, fuck it. Wait, let me see. No, that seems wrong to me, bro. That seems wrong to me. I don't like that. I'm going to keep it my way, bro. I don't like that at all. But fair play. Each to their own, right? Dark candles resemble red. I hear that, but blue's closer to green than it is to red. Yeah, that's a valid statement. That tracks. That tracks. But yeah, man, chat, I want to see us make a low here, to be honest. GJ actually made me half decent push, then pull back at highs. Bro, no shot you're still trading GJ. I didn't know you traded GJ, bro. Or is that just a new addition? Just trying to find another pair to take advantage of. I hate GJ, chat. I absolutely hate GJ. I can't lie. Each to their own, but mine are better. Yeah, so it's not each to their own then, huh? All fun and games until we're colorblind. Exactly, though. Exactly. Chat, you know it's deep when you start seeing candlesticks in your dreams, bro. When I first started trading, about 3 months in, I had serious dreams where it was just candlesticks printing. I don't really have it anymore, but I used to a lot. I used to get dreams of like candlesticks running. I don't know why. It's just something that happened. I feel like most traders get it, or I could be wrong. See like chart patterns in my head and shit. Very strange. Dreams are getting stopped out, bro. You wake up and check MT5 and you're not even in a position. Bro, that's something I did have the other day though. For the first time in ages, I had a trading dream, and I was in like 4K profit or something. And I woke up and went to close the trade on my MT5, and there was just no trade there. I was like, oh shit, yeah, that makes sense. Bro, I swear, like, I hadn't had a trading dream in ages, and the first one I had in a while, I was like, shit, I got to close that position. Didn't even exist. Real, I see ranges, higher highs and higher lows when out and about. Yeah, that's funny. Gold was choppy, so I wait for every 5 to 15 minute closure. If I close my trade, I gotta wait for another closure, so I'll mess around with GJ. Ah, yeah, fair play. Fair play. Got different parallels. Yeah, in the dreamland, bro. In the dreamland, we're printing 10K daily. Just gotta access that somehow and tap into that reality. Yeah, Dream Me always catches runners though. I don't know how he does it. Now listen, chat, we're good here. So, Trendverse. Ooh, sounds good. Blue candle is pushing. That's crazy. This guy's gonna level up. Just gonna come in constantly chatting about the candle colors now. Yeah, man. So you just have no direction here on gold at the minute. You're stuck in this 5-minute range. I do think overall, as we said, right, you are bearish on gold. Apologies. You are bearish on gold on the daily time frame. But knowing how gold's been playing recently, could go either way right now. So I just want to see some more structure being printed. I need more volume right now. You've got nothing here technically. Trading became my nightmare this weekend. Oh shit, how come? Chat, the clothing brand. Gonna be coming soon, man. Some serious progress on this. I'm super excited to start showing you guys stuff. I think I'm gonna drop like maybe 3 products at first. Just start slow. See what you guys are interested in, how you guys react. And after that, we'll just continue to build it into a proper brand, right? It's gonna be insane, to be honest. It's gonna be insane. Super excited for it. It's gonna be like my passion project right now. I think though the plan is gonna be super limited. Maybe like, I don't know, not many items of each piece. It's gonna be on a drop basis. We'll give out like a password to the site. And if you get it, you get it. If you don't, you don't, right? That's what we're gonna do. I think it's gonna be sick. I'm pretty sure we'll sell out in like, I don't know, less than an hour. Hand eye, what's good? What's good, what's good, what's good? Yeah, you're pushing down here as well. You got 4 minutes now to the 15-minute close. Now, the best thing, in my opinion, would be if this 4-hour can close bearish. That's gonna be so clean for sales. Like, super clean. Boarding for Frankfurt at Terminal 2 right now. Crazy. International stream right now. Have a good flight, my friend. I'm actually... Wait, are you at Heathrow? Actually, you might... Yeah, you've already been on a flight. I'm going to be there today too. Crazy. What's good, Ali? What's good, what's good? Welcome back. Yeah, I'll be there today too. Interesting. Frankfurt's a business city though. Are you going on business? But like, when I went to Frankfurt, it's all just bankers. I don't know why. Bro, what's up with US liquid policy? Been looking things up before I come. And I heard they throw away if you have over a quarter worth zip. Wait, what? A quarter worth zip block of liquids. Yeah, but what? Like to come in? Oh yeah, bro. Like you can't have over 100 milliliters of liquid in your carry-on bag, right? If you have like a suitcase, then you can take whatever in that. But yeah, UK. Nah, like it's only for when you fly out, I think. So like when you fly out of the UK, if you in your hand luggage, you're only allowed like 100 milliliters of any liquid. So like, you know, you can't take. I don't know, like. But like aftershave and shit. How much is this? I don't even know how many milliliters this is, but. Oh no, you can take something like that. It's like 60 mil. But like, I don't know, certain things you can't take. But if it's in like a suitcase that you've already like checked in, then you're chilling. But if you're flying into the UK, they don't care. They don't check shit. I have to do a red live stream in Amsterdam for the vlog. Bro. Yeah, trust me. You actually have to do that, I can't lie. But you're gonna love that place, Calm. You're gonna love Amsterdam, my boy. I might have to pull up with you there, bro. It's insane. It's a good city, bro. I've been there like 3 times. It's a nice place. I don't smoke or anything, so I don't really go to Amsterdam for that. But like, nah. So when I was at uni, a girl that I used to know at uni, she did a gap year in Amsterdam, or like a placement year in Amsterdam. So she had a flat in like central Amsterdam. So me and my girl went out there and we just stayed there, and yeah, it was sick. It was pretty sick, I can't lie. A good city though, it's a really good city. Hedge has been 6 times to down. Bro, I saw that on your Insta. It made me laugh, I can't lie. What's good, Will? How you doing, bro? You lot are just a bunch of degenerates, eh? I know why you lot are going to Amsterdam. I'm just a man of culture, right? That's all it is. I'm just a man of culture. 6 times, bro. Yeah, that's crazy. That is insane. It is full of Brits, I can't lie. Like, if you go to the touristy parts of Amsterdam, it's full of Brits. It's just full of really stoned British people. You gotta go to the different parts there. That's the thing though, it's so cheap to get there. Anywhere in Europe is so cheap. Like, I was talking to Wade about this the other day. Like, about how we take for granted how cheap it is to get anywhere in Europe. I feel like in America, even if you want to fly from like state to state, it's still expensive, bro. But like, I don't know. You can fly anywhere in Europe for like very, very cheap. Might fly first class everywhere, bro. My girl's flying back today to Germany. I bought her a business class flight. It was like 150. It's so cheap. It's so cheap. You literally could come. I mean, there's not really a first class. You can fly business, but in Europe, there's not really like first class because it's so short. I received an email to fly to Barcelona for £39 off. Bro, when I go to Italy in like not winter, but like I guess like January, like I don't know, March, April. I used to fly to Italy for like £12. It's crazy. I used to get flights for like less than a meal. Where's your next trip, SG? I don't know, bro. I'm locked in at the minute. I've literally got some progress on a house in Bali. So my next trip might just be moving to Bali, bro. That might be my next trip. I might just save it for then. But saying that, I always say that I'm not going to take trips and then I just end up taking them. But I think that's probably the next move. This will be my first time traveling with only one backpack. Italy, Ibiza, and France on the list. Bro, all of those are very good places. I can recommend you some great places in France. Some places to avoid in France too. And Italy as well. You just gotta go to the south of France, Cam. You gotta go to like Monaco, Monte Carlo, Saint-Tropez. Those places are incredible. You gotta go to that casino in Monaco. That's actually one of the best experiences I've done, to be honest. It's insane. What's the tax saying in Bali? It's like nothing, bro. I have a wedding in Toulouse and we'll make my way down. Yeah, 100%, bro. That's sick. Yeah, man, I'm excited to move, to be honest. If this place in Bali pulls through in terms for a house, I'm super excited for that. Yeah, you're pushing down here, which is good. It's exactly what we wanted to see, right? We wanted to see us push out downwards from the range, which you seem to be doing now. You just need to see a closure below this like 5-minute range, and I think you should be good to continue down. So let's see here, chat. 40 minutes to the 4-hour close. You got like... Yeah, man, you got a good 10 minutes to the 30-minute close too. I just want to see some more confirmation, bro. Because this could still just be a higher low. Right? Look at the structure here. London's just been dry recently, to be honest. Just been dry. Yeah, 100 milliliters. Raze, are you behind, bro? I feel like this guy's super behind. Wait, so you have a wedding in Toulouse? You only have one backpack? What's the move there? You taking a seat in the backpack or what? Just gonna buy one when you get there. Naked wedding. Fair play. I hear that. Good plan. I think those actually exist, you know. Tuxedo print t-shirt. Bro, just get someone to spray paint it on. Be chilling. Yeah, bro, the tuxedo print t-shirt's hilarious. And like board shorts too. That's the move. Pull up in one of these to a wedding. You'll be the best dressed guy there. So funny, bro. Raze, you don't like it or what? Alright, chat, listen. You got 7 minutes here till the 30-minute closure. Gold at the minute is just doing a whole load of nothing, to be honest. I bought way too many bags with me to Thailand, not making the same mistake again. I hear that, bro. I hear that. I can't wait to go exploring that side of the world, though. It's gonna be sick. Go see, like, I really want to go to Vietnam now. You guys have hyped up Vietnam so much. So being from the US, you have to use a travel adapter for all your plugs. Yeah, you're gonna have a problem with that, G, because the UK's got very different plugs to the rest of Europe, right? So like, wait, I'll show you. UK plugs look like this, yeah. This is what a UK plug looks like. So you have like 3 things on it, right? And then you have like European plugs, which look like this. And then if you go to like Italy, they sometimes have different ones too. Super weird, bro. These plugs are so weird. Why would you have a plug like this? It's super strange. But yeah, you gotta get all the different adapters, I can't lie. Look at Australian plug. Alright, we're looking at. Yeah, that is weird. Or you can get like one adapter that does all of it, I'm pretty sure. Here come the Europeans chatting about voltage. That's true though. 1 hour trying to flip here, chat. What's good at DT? How you doing, bro? Don't search up Amsterdam plug. Yeah, I hear that. Bro, Amsterdam's crazy. It's a mad city. Just chilling, mate. Good stuff. Good stuff. Yeah, literally, look at this, man. There's nothing I can do here. Nothing I can do. Realistically, the move's probably going to be unemployment claims later. No volume. Yeah, man. Yesterday's GeoGuessr was fun, though. But bro. I'm never doing the no move thing again. 30 seconds was good, but I'm not doing no move ever again. Call it? Yeah, maybe. Nah, we'll wait for the 4-hour close at least. And then we'll call it if we are going to call it. Yeah, man. I like Thursdays. New York after unemployment claims should be sound. Yeah, I think Thursday's quite a good trading day. I hear that. Chat, we're already at nearly 4.1k subs. We hit 4k yesterday, bro. That's just crazy. Gained like 80 subs overnight. Huge. Appreciate you guys very, very much. But yeah, man, listen, we're gonna try and finish the week off strong here. You want to you want to change your plan halfway through the week and just not change your plan, but change your, I guess, aggression levels, right? Now you're coming towards the end of the week. You don't want to be like overly aggressive. When you get to the start of the week, you can be, I don't know, a little bit more opportunistic, a little bit more eager. Obviously not take anything stupid, but I like to finish the week off strongly, right? I don't think there's anything worse than taking an L on a Friday when you shouldn't have. If you take an L on a Friday and it's like a valid trade and everything was perfect, then of course, fair play. But if you took a Baron, bro, that is crazy. If you take an unnecessary L on a Friday, you're just gonna hate yourself the whole weekend. That is crazy. Why is that your autocorrect as well? Yeah, that's a crazy thing to have your autocorrect be. This guy's typed that word more than he's typed cooking, so his phone now predicts it to be that word rather than cooking. That's crazy. That's actually ridiculous. Bro, that shit's mad. Yeah, but that's what I'm saying. Why is your autocorrection like that? That means you've typed that way more than you've typed cooking. Bro, yeah, you need a... Your FBI agent's scarred. Insane diet, bro. That's crazy. Check this guy's phone, yeah. 100%, bro. Because autocorrect goes off of like what you've typed the most. It's like, constantly learning based off your typing habits. Yeah, this guy definitely just got exposed. I can't lie. What's good, Dan? Good morning. Taking an unnecessary L on a Friday makes you take a stupid L the following week. Yeah, no, it definitely does, bro. It definitely does. We got caught in 4K Ultra HD. He's flipping the table right now. Yeah. Bro, he's definitely swinging at the walls. Massive, like, massive hole in his door right now. I'm gonna break my monitor, I swear. Baron, you're good, bro. You don't need to defend yourself. Listen, we're a very tolerable stream here. We accept all preferences, all types of people. You don't have to worry, bro. That 30-minute close bearish, which is good. Explanation is wild. Bro, I gotta pull myself together. That's crazy. Yeah, man. I don't know. Crazy. I don't think we do accept that. Well, indirectly. Chat, drop a like, man. Volume's dead, but at least we got some humor on the stream, bro. At least. Is that evening call banter, to be fair? Yeah, it is. Bro, I'm telling you, chat, the evening calls are hilarious. No shot, Eugene just got timed out by Spion. That's crazy. Bro, Bro's flexing his like special mod powers. Yeah, you got a 10-second timeout right there. I fear I may have given Spion a little bit too much power. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, look at this. You're pushing up, man. The 1 hour just flipped. You got some volume coming in here, which is good. 30-minute, no top wick, really. I can't take anything here, chat. We could look to see how the 4 hour closes, right? But at the same point, I don't know, man. Eyes are a little bit difficult for me here. It seems to be struggling. You did write a bad word, which is $10 in a timeout. Yeah, $10 in the pot, Eugene. $10 in the pot. Ain't got no bucks. You got some bucks. Chat, this volume. Not the one, bro. We just got excited about a 10 pip candle here. That 13 pip candle was crazy. Way too much volume there. Maybe the 4 hour can pick up. Maybe. We'll see, man. You got 30 minutes here. We'll chill out for a little bit. And then, yeah. We'll see. Good crypto maniac. How we doing, brother? Yo, yo, yo. Mr. Maniac. To wake up bang on time. On time for what, my boy? Time for a big trade? Massive trade, mate. 10 pip trade. 10 pip movement from here to here. Whoa. To be fair, the volume's picking up, which is good. Need to see some direction now, right? Been struggling to push up the whole time. You are respecting this 5-minute range, to be honest. You literally have just created now like a literal range between here and like here on the 5. Now you're just bouncing in between it. Interesting. Barcode City, right? On time for Trumpet Man to push the volume up. Ah, yeah, nice. A man of culture. Lovely stuff. Let's get him on, why not? Let's get him back on. Where is he? Is this Trumpet Man? I don't even know. Ugh. Cool chat, so you are pushing here, which is good. If you break the highs, you might see some pushes, but again, can't do anything right now. Literally nothing. Push. I do want to see us push down rather than anything, chat, to be honest. I feel like you might need to go and tap 24.59 before you then actually retrace. But just the way that we've been struggling so much to take these buys up. Like, you've struggled here now for like a good 50, I don't know how long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 30-minute candles. How long's that? 600 minutes. No? 150 minutes. Jesus, that was terrible maths. 150 minutes, which is like 2.5 hours you've been struggling for. Like, why? I don't know, man. Why would it do that unless it was waiting for something, or, you know, unless it was struggling really bad? I train. Crazy. What's good, Joel? What's good, Joel? How you doing, bro? What's good? What's good? What's good? Car lover, what's good? I'm very good, thanks. How are you? Very, very good. Yeah, chat, listen. No volume right now. But we're going to stick around. I think the 4-hour close can bring us some more information, to be honest. As long as... I don't know why I'm going left. There's nothing there. I guess as long as you close above 24.55 on the 4-hour, you should potentially fill the wick and come up and tap 24.60. But to be honest, yeah, until then, there's nothing we can do, right? Sorry for being late. Nah, you're good, bro. Don't worry. Do you often pay yourself from live account? How often do you recommend, or do you just compound? To be honest, bro, at the minute, I've just been compounding. But the reason for that is I have like other income sources, right? So I don't really need the payouts yet, and I'm just trying to compound as much as I can. But like, I'd say, if you're consistently making profits, it's not a bad thing to pay yourself now and then. But you don't want to ruin the compound effect, right? That's what's going to really help you grow in the long run. But yeah, obviously you do need to secure some profits, because at the end of the day, let's say you run an account up from like, I don't know, 20k to 50k, right? And you're still using like percentage risk. At the end of the day, that account could drop all the way back down to 20k. And if you've taken no money out, then you've got nothing to show for your work, I guess, at the end of the day. So yeah, don't feel like afraid to pay yourself, but just don't do it to the point where it affects your compounding. But yeah, let's say that now you're making enough to where, I don't know, you cover your expenses plus, I don't know, another like $1,000, $2,000 a month. You could just take out the amount that covers your expenses every month, which is not a bad thing to do. Or you could just take out however much you want. But yeah, it's never a bad thing to pay yourself, right? You got to realize some of the gains at some point. I'm just thinking a bit more long term in my approach right now. I just wanted like properly scale to the point where, you know, it's going to be like generational. That's my plan. But then again, that is a bit like all or nothing, right? We'll see. We'll see, right? I also don't like to think about the money, really. I don't know if you guys have seen the those trader documentaries on YouTube. If you haven't, I recommend you watch them, right? There's one on I think it was this guy. No, it wasn't this guy. Who was it? We watched him in the group one day. What was his name? He had like just initials as his name. I don't remember what it was. Oh yeah, BNF. This guy. This Japanese guy. Wait, let me pause this. If you haven't seen this documentary, bro, I recommend you watch it. Super interesting. It's like, it's about this day trader, but he did it all from his bedroom. And like big investment funds wanted him to work for them. He said no, basically. But he never took any money out because he didn't want to realize the money, right? Because he said it'd scare him. Because I think he turned like, I can't remember what he turned, like a silly amount of money from not very much. And he didn't want to realize the gains, right? He didn't want to actually feel how much money he had in that account because he said that would affect his psychology. So yeah, like it depends, I guess. It all depends on you. That's a decision that you got to look within and sort of figure out. But this is a great documentary if you haven't seen it. Definitely recommend watching it. ENF. The nav one's good, yeah, the nav one is good too, but it ended a bit weird, right? Didn't he go like a little bit crazy and got arrested or something? Can't remember. Like you're slightly pushing up here. About 4 pips. 15-minute close in 1 minute's time, chat. And that guy Japanese that grew his account from 7k to millions in 2 years in his room. Yeah, that might be the same guy. But I'm pretty sure he bet against something crazy. And like, oh, that's it. He like took control of like a massive company by buying like 50% of their shares or something. And they had to buy him out. Was that not Nav? I can't remember. Both very interesting documentaries though. Definitely worth the watch. Penny stocks, yeah. I feel like that's the way to really do it. But then again, that's also the way to blow your money too. Like, think about it, 90% of the people that are putting 7k into a penny stock just goes to zero 90% of the time. You know? So you have to really be a, like, you know, an outlier. I just like my gold, to be honest. Options and stocks is a crazy casino. Yeah, I actually know a guy who trades over-the-counter stocks. So, like, you're trading with actual other people rather than through a broker. Makes quite a bit of money doing it, but yeah, it seems crazy, to be honest. Wait for the Crypto Maniac one where he turns 5k into millions in altcoins. I can see it coming, bro. I can see it coming. Signals, please. At the 15-minute closed here. You got 15 minutes now to the 4-hour close as well. You did close above on the 15, which is not too bad. Not too shabby. Well, you might just close straight back into the range there. I don't know. We'll see. Need some more volume, obviously. Yeah, just no real reason for it to be struggling so badly. If I'm honest. Look at this chart. It's 1 minute range right here. Literally a continuous 1 minute range between there and there. News gonna go crazy. Yeah, especially if we continue to range like this. Yeah, news will be ridiculous. Yesterday's news chat was just like insane. There's a streamer called Kimber in Twitch that trades crypto futures, has open trades with 1 million or 500k on unrealized profit. He shares screen as real accounts on different brokers. What brokers though, bro? Because like He's trading like Bybit, Binance, all that stuff. Those are all fake. I know for a fact the guys that, like, there was this, yeah, there was like another Chinese guy or whatever that like was trading on Bybit, and he had like Bitcoin shorts for like, you know, 3 mil open P&L, etc. But they're all fake. The broker's just giving marketing accounts, bro. I don't know if the one, I've never heard about the one you just said, so I can't say anything, but you just gotta be careful. The only thing giving me hope on gold buys is where the daily closed. That's a strong level of support, but it doesn't want to fly and take all-time high. Might need more liquidity before pushing. Yeah, I mean, you did close at a support, you're right. I wouldn't say it's a strong level. I mean, like, I guess. I wouldn't really say it's a strong level. If the daily wants to flip it, it's going to continue downwards, right? Like, undoubtedly. But, yeah, like we said, gold doesn't need top and bottom wicks right now. Like, it just doesn't. The way that it's been moving, like, this push-up was all without a bottom wick. You know, 440 pips. Then you close no top wick and still continue to push another 440 pips. You know, a lot of these moves, this move here has been made without any bottom wick as well. So did this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. So like a lot of the moves have been made without a bottom wick, you're right, which means you can't rely on that. Which is why right now I just want to see some more decision areas. Not decision areas. I want to see some more, you know, decision in terms of direction being made, is what I was trying to say. Because it seems as if you are now, like, this push-up is exhausted. At least for the meantime, right? Whilst you've got this low volume. Just seems to be struggling so much. Which can mean one of two things, right? It either means it's struggling for a reason and it can't push any higher. Or it's struggling to break through, but it's constantly attempting it and it's a strong level. And when it does break through, it's going to pop. Which is what we saw the other day on that trade that we were in on Monday. Right, the buys that we got on Monday's stream, you saw us tap the level over and over and over again, right? You saw us like, you know, basically attempt to break through the level consistently. And once you do that like 3 or 4 times, 5 times, when you eventually do break through, that's when you get like a big pop. You might see a similar thing here, but I don't know, man. We'll see. It just means one or two things. That's what I've noticed throughout my time in the markets. Is like when you do have this situation where you're, you know, tapping into a level over and over. Obviously, the most logical thing to think is it's a very strong level and we're struggling. Then the other option is you're pushing it against it so many times and testing it so many times that, you know, you're bound to break through. But obviously, you can't tell which one it is until it happens, in my opinion. Unless someone out there has a way to figure that out. Oh, I see now. Wednesday candle took a lot of liquidity. This might be a corrective move to further push down. Yeah, it could be. It could be. You broke the highs, right, of the week and then rejected quite heavily. So if you want to continue back up, you probably do need to grab some liquidity. You might need to break the lows. But yeah, you would expect us to need some more liquidity if we were going to push back up. This guy's legit. Fair enough, bro. I'll check him out. 8 minutes though, chat. 8 minutes to the 4-hour close. Drop a like if you haven't already. Appreciate you guys for pulling up. And yeah. It's gonna be it. Well, yeah, what's good, Abdullah? How you doing, bro? Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, man. It'll be a good day today. $30 minutes pushing down. 15-minute bottom wick though. Interesting. I'm finding it difficult to read the chart today. Yeah, bro. If you're finding it difficult to read the chart, then just wait until you can, right? You don't want to take any positions where you can't read it. At the minute though, I don't think it's you finding it difficult. I just think it's pretty unreadable. Like, there's not really many nothing you can do really right now. Have to wait. Like yesterday we waited ages for the setup, right? And then it eventually came during the PM session. So just be patient, and yeah, that's all I can say. It's 7 minutes to the 4-hour. If nothing forms on this 4-hour, we'll just call it, right? And then we'll play pixel letters, and then we'll be back on for New York in like 3 hours time. But yeah, make sure you don't miss the New York stream, because obviously we got unemployment claims there. It's gonna be sick, to be honest. It should be good. I'm really enjoying the New York streams, especially like watching news on stream is quite fun. We haven't really had that before, so that's a nice thing to see. Trenlines, yeah, not taking anything until I understand it first. Yeah, perfect, bro. Perfect. Whoa. Pushing down here, chat. 30-minute coming towards a flip. But that really looks like it's changing position on the chart whenever you move this. I don't know why, it looks higher up on the one. Buy or sell? Nothing at the minute, my boy. Literally nothing for me at the minute. I can't take anything here. Five-minute close, back into the range, right? There's a 5-minute close back in the range here. Wrong stream for that fella. Yeah, chat, look at this. So, like, again, you got this range here between 2455.9 and 2454.2. And you're just continuously bouncing in between it. Yes, you closed outside, but now you close back in it. So, like, I don't know, man. Just a tough London session. It's not tough, but, you know, you just have to be patient. Chat. Should we look at the daily propaganda or what? Yeah, let's check it out. How Gen Z athletes pulled the Paris Olympics into the what? Into the TikTok era. Crazy. After Nike leaders promised climate action, their corporate jets kept flying. Oh no. Yeah, chat. Not sure about that one. disinformation. Insane. Bro, like, I don't understand what they're talking about. Like, how are you gonna get like the CEO of Nike to stop flying in jets? What's he gonna do? Go and sit in a fucking, I don't know, Ryanair flight or what? Like, obviously he's not gonna do that. And why would he? That's crazy, Eugene. Okay, chat. So 2 minutes here to the 4-hour close. Look like you're gonna close just in the middle of nowhere, to be honest. I was hoping we could have like a nice little spike in either direction just before the 4-hour close, but it doesn't look like it. Does not look at it. Ask the CEO of Nike to stop flying a private jet. He'll say, yeah, sure, pay to chart me around on the yacht then, mate. Bro, that's what I'm saying. Like, some people just, I swear, don't live in reality. They don't live in reality whatsoever. Like, all these people that like complain about celebrities flying private jets, or like billionaires use tax loopholes. It's like, yeah, why wouldn't they? That's like why you get rich. No, I don't know. Jeff Bezos bought a yacht, but there's starving kids. It's like, bro, why do you think he tried to make fucking billions in the first place, to like not buy yachts and stuff like that? Makes no sense, man. $35 seconds here, chat, to the 4-hour close. So, if we were gonna think about taking buys, you'd want to see it close above 24.55. Then you need a bottom wick and a flip up, right? If we wanted sells, you'd probably want to see it flip and close below 24.52. But by the looks of it, it's going to do neither, and it's going to close respecting 24.55. And yeah, chat, that's going to be it for today's stream, man. That is going to be it. Make sure you go check out the Discord if you're not in it already. Make sure you join the Discord, completely free. You do want to get a funded account, as Spion just sent in, bro. 20% off using code SG at Funded Trading Plus and ACG. And yeah, we'll be back in about 3 hours time for the New York stream. We'll watch unemployment claims play out, and yeah, the rest of that, hopefully grab some positions there. But until then, we'll play the pixel letters right now, and we'll have a little break and then come back to New York refreshed, ready for action, right? But yeah, man, other than that, chat, there's not much I can do on these streams. Like, it's getting a little bit difficult to do anything here. So yeah, you just gotta stay patient, man. You just gotta stay patient. I appreciate you guys for sticking around. I know the volume's dead, but eventually it'll pick up again, right? Eventually it'll pick up again. There's no way that's a word, to be honest. But there you are. Dirty. Yeah, good shit, Jar. Good guess. Good guess. Alright, chat. Next one. What do we have here? The word. I'm just guessing right now. I don't actually have a clue here. Crazy. That's possibly the worst guess in all time. Yeah, there you go. Still got it, chat. Right. You guys gotta help me out on this one. What do we think? I need some guesses here, bro. I need some guesses. No one got any guesses? Alright. Okay. Someone help me out here, man. Yeah, it's sauce in it. Good shit to be on. Good shit. Alright, chat. So, that is going to be it from me for today's session, man. We'll be back in about 3 hours time for New York. So make sure you pull up to that. 1 p.m. UK time. Make sure you're there. Be there, be square. But yeah, other than that, chat, have a great rest of the London session. You're gonna go hit the gym, go smash it. Make sure you like and subscribe. And yeah, other than that, much love. Peace out. Bye bye. Peace. Where's everyone at, man?